So it's date night and it's my turn to cook. So I'll be cooking braised short ribs in red wine sauce, a side of mashed potatoes and veg. So to get started, I already wash and clean my short ribs, and these are the spices and ingredients that I'll be using, and they all will be listed in the description box down below. So if you guys have any date night meals you guys love to prepare, y'all let me know and drop it in the comment section as well. So these are some well seasoned ribs, and what I like to do, guys, is to make sure, to sear it first. And if there's a lot of fat on the ribs, I like to render that as well before. So there you can see I'm searing it off. Don't worry about that. That is just flavor. It's going to come right back into that pot, guys. Add your tomato paste, a little bit of butter. I add a little bit of flour, some onions, some ginger, some celery, and carrots. Here I'm adding my red wine. And then I'm adding a little bit of shaoxing cooking wine. Amazing. Now you're going to bring this up to a boil, maybe about 15 minutes. And then I'm also adding my beef stock. You cannot miss that, right? Give that a good stir, taste, and let this cook for about 15 minutes on medium low. So now you're going to add your short ribs, and I turn my oven up to 420 for about an hour. So you can see it's thick and it is rich. It is already falling off the bone, guys. All right, my husband and I really enjoyed it. My son did too. Yeah, so I do hope you guys love this recipe. Give it a try. And I did garnish with a little bit of sesame seeds on top. All right, you can put whatever you like. I love you guys. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.